Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a really yummy dip with green peas. Now the recipe is below in the description box and a printable version is also on my blog. I'm going to make the recipe as it is, but you can easily increase this if you want to. And you can see I've got my food processor right here, so I'm going to add the ingredients directly to the bowl of my food processor. And yes, this is a mighty old one, but it still works, and as long as it works, I'm going to use it. Alright, I'm starting with 1 cup of green peas that were frozen, and I thawed them under some running water, adding it straight to the bowl there. And then I want to add in 1/2 of an avocado, so we're going to cut that up and add that to the bowl. And now we're going to add some flavoring, and in this little bowl I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. You can also use 1/3 of a cup of diced onion. I have 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you could use 1 small clove of garlic. I like to use the powder in this because that way I know it's going to blend up evenly and well, and I'm not going to get a big bite of unblended garlic or something like that. That would be a strong bite to me. And then I have 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1/8 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. You can leave that out if you want to. Not a problem. It's your personal preference on that. And then in this bowl I have 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You could also use white wine vinegar or whatever vinegar of your choice. And this is about the juice of it was a small lemon. Alright, now the only other thing that I might need to add to this is a little bit of water, but I prefer to blend it up like it is first and just see how it goes. If it needs a little bit of water to thin it out, I will add 1 tablespoon at a time, and I will let you know if I add any water to this. Alright, we have our blended dip, and I want you to see it is like a dip consistency here, and it's really good. It makes around a cup this way, so you can easily increase it. I did not need to add any water to this. I can tell you it blends up easiest if the peas are thawed. If you use frozen peas, it will blend, but not as easily as when they are thawed. And if you're using frozen peas, that's when you might need to add a little bit of water to it just to help it blend. I'm going to store it in, this is a 2-cup mason jar, put the lid on there and put it in the refrigerator, but I wanted to put some in a small bowl just so I could show you a little bit easier the consistency of it. And so I do hope you give this a try. It's really good. Give this a try sometime. Let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.